Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with hardware and connectivity. First, confirm your set uses Google TV or a Chromecast with Google TV and plug it into an HDMI port. Once connected, power the device and switch the TV's input to that HDMI source so you see the setup screen. Make sure your phone and the device are on the same Wi-Fi. If you haven't paired the remote yet, follow on screen prompts or open the Google Home app to detect and link the device. Now you'll configure account and app so content appears. Sign in with your Google account when prompted. This enables recommendations and casting. Once signed in, add streaming services by selecting each app and entering credentials. Make sure subscriptions are active. Next, customize display and audio settings, pick resolution, TV speakers versus external soundbar, and enable HDR if supported. Finally, review privacy options and voice match to personalize results. Once you're ready to watch and fix common issues, use the home bar to launch apps, the Discover feed for personalized suggestions, and Live for channel listings. Navigate with the remote or voice search. To cast, open a cast-enabled app on your phone, tap the cast icon, and pick your Google TV device. That sends video instantly. If playback stalls, restart the device, confirm Wi-Fi strength, and update the system. If problems persist, try a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.